Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a revealing sticky footer in Divi without using JS code or CSS code. If you ask me about the importance of having a revealing sticky footer on a Divi website, to be honest, when it comes to performance, none, but aesthetically it is nice. Maybe it will add more user engagement since your footer opens up the other way around. Let's get started. Since this is just a demo, we will use a pre-made layout from the Divi library. Browse any theme that you want to use. In this demo we will use this construction theme. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can find the footer part of the website. Save your footer section in your library. To do it, hover or click on the section and wait until the section settings appear, then click on the vertically stacked 3 dots. Then choose Save to Library. Give your layout a name. Turn on the Save as Global toggle. Then click Save to Library. Once saved, you may now delete your footer section. Save your page, then exit the Visual Builder. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi, then Theme Builder. If you have multiple templates, you can choose Add New Template, but if you have none, you may choose the default one. Since I have multiple templates, I will add a new one and assign my template to the page that I want to have a revealing sticky footer. Disable and delete the custom header by clicking on the eye icon right next to it. You can also disable the global function of your footer if you want to assign it to a specific page, but if not, just leave it as it is. Next, click on the custom footer to load the builder. Add a new section, then go to Add from Library, and choose the section that you have saved. Next, go to Section Settings, then Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the Position section and locate the z-index and put a -1 value on the field. Next, open the Scroll Effects section and in the Sticky position, choose Stick to Bottom. Save your work by clicking the green button with a check icon. Then save your layout and exit. Reload your page and scroll until you reach the footer, where you will see the applied effect. That's it, a simple way to create a revealing sticky footer in Divi. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.